Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be kind of giving you a little update on the latest Heartopia update. So today is the 5th of March. There are new items in the pet store in the pet costume section. So this one's old, but this one's new. And this is what it looks like on my pet burnt toast. Look how cute she is. Okay. And there's also some new items in Bob's furniture shop, like coffee grinders and stuff like that. But I think I haven't gotten it yet. Maybe it's upstairs. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think it's out yet for me. It's not this one, by the way. I don't know. They said there's like new items in Bob's furniture shop. And there's also new items in the research store. They have slides. Here, I'll show you guys. Um, the slides here. And we also have the floor and ceiling portals. So there's also higher levels, but I'm not there yet. Takes so long to research even like one thing, as you can see. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much almost all of it. There's also something that has to do with like books. I think you can like zoom in pictures. So let's see which book has. Let's try Love Letter. But like, how would I know if there's an image in there? Oh, there is one. Um, you can now like zoom in pictures in a book. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.